Welcome back. Today we're going to be changing out the fuel pump on this 1992 Jeep Cherokee. I call him Sylvester if you guys don't already know. So let's just go ahead and get it done. So I already got the fuel pump here, so I know what everything looks like down there. So we open it up. It comes with a new little seal thing and tightening piece. And then this is the magnificent beast that goes inside that pump. It has a little filter, it has the pump, it has different assemblies, and I know you can get it cheap. It was like $100, and we're ready to put it in. So here's the old one, little small pump on there. It's actually a smaller pump than I expected, and it doesn't look too bad. I can see it just looks old, and it doesn't look like beat up or anything. It just probably just kind of wore out compared to the new one here, which actually has a like almost double the size pump. I don't know if that's just because it's not made as well, but yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead, just reverse that process and throw it back in there and get it done. There we go, got the new one in, it starts up and everything like that. So that's how you do it. Super easy, pretty chill, self-explanatory, and yeah, good luck. Alright, subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Whoop!